Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Code Math. Today we are going to make our first Chrome extension. It sounds exciting, right? Okay. Now, have you ever wondered how those cool Chrome extensions work? Things like ad blocker, Grammarly, or full page screenshot. How do they work actually? And how can you create something like that? Don't worry if you have never created an extension before. I am here to explain everything from the very beginning. Before we start coding, let me quickly explain what a Chrome extension is. A Chrome extension is like a small software program built using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that adds features and functionalities to the browser. You know, the little icons you see at the top of the Chrome. Those are like Chrome extensions only. When I click on the Go Full Page extension, it will capture all page screenshot, and it will provide such options like save image as PDF, and we can copy the image. This is a cool extension, right? So based on this, I also created two extensions. This Chrome extension, whatever get selected font family, which have created, it is used to know exact font family of the selected text. Will test, right? When I select this text and when I right click on it, when I select this text and when I right click on it, we can when I click on get font families, it will give a alert, right? Laura serif. This is the font family of the selected text. You can test this also about code math. When you right click on it, if you click on get font family, then I'll get like a roboto sans serif. It is cool, right? And also I also created one more extension which is used to change the old font family of the website. Okay, just right click on the page, click on change font, and click any of the font family here. When I click on cursive, then whole page is converted into the cursive, and when I click on another Arial, then the whole page converted to the family Arial, right? You can also check my first extension whether it is working or not. Click on it, just right click on it, get font family, then it will give Arial. It is cool, right? Okay, you can also create like this type of custom extensions. First we'll go through the basic, then you can go to the advanced level by learning these basics. Okay, first before going to the creating level, first we need to understand what are the mandatory files and what are the optional files we need to create a Chrome extension. Okay, so what are the mandatory files means like manifest.json. This manifest.json file is mandatory file. This is required for your extension to function. Okay, like it is like an identity card of your extension. It tells Chrome's who the extension is and what it can do and how to interact with users. Okay, and the optional files such as background.json, background.js, popup.html, and popup.js. Not this is not HTML. This is JS. Sorry, JS. And content.js, icon.png. These are the optional files, and a simple extension might only need a manifest.json file and an optional background script. Okay, so we'll see the structure of manifest.json file so that you can understand more deeper. Okay, so this is the typical structure of a manifest.json file. Don't worry, I'll explain each thing, no problem. So first, coming to manifest underscore version, manifest version, this helps Chrome, like whatever the browser, this helps browser understand which version of the manifest structure to use. As of now we are using 3. This is the latest version. Okay, this is the 3 is the latest version we are using. Okay, and name is this is what will be shown to the users in the Chrome extension menu. Okay, like change font. This is the Chrome extension name. Okay. And version is used for updating and managing your extension. In future, if you want to update your extension, you can just change the version and you can reload it. Okay. And the description is a simple description which is used to give information about your extension. And background here. First, will sorry, I skipped permissions. So permissions it is an important thing. Permissions are like asking Chrome to access certain features. Okay. For example, I'll give a simple example. Storage. Here you can see storage, right? Storage is used to allow the extension to store the data. Okay. And active tab which will give the extension access to the current active tab. Okay. And coming to background is a script runs in the background of the extension, and it doesn't need directly interact with the web page. It doesn't need direct interaction. Okay. And service worker, this is an like quite surprise. Previously it was not there. It is a new feature in the manifest version 3, and which is used to handle the background task in a more efficient and modern way, like listening for events such as. Okay. And coming to the action, this is coming to the actions. This is where you define what happens when a user click on the extension. For example, when I click on the extension, I need to show a pop-up. Host permissions, it is like specifies the website the extension can access. And this is a typical background JS file which I use mostly. So whenever I click on the extension, I need to handle in this function only, in this callback function only. I'll handle when I click on the extension, I need to handle the logic in between these parentheses only, in this callback function only. Okay. It's fine. Now we'll create one simple cool extension which does not need any popup.html, popup.js. We'll create by using only manifest.json and background.js. These are the only files we are using to get started. Now we'll start creating our first extension. Okay. Just click on new, create a folder, Chrome first extension. Okay. Just right click on it, open terminal, click on code. Just try to open with Visual Studio so that you can edit it easily. Just click on new file, create manifest.json file, which is the mandatory file for your extension, and create background.json file. Sorry, not JSON. It's JS. Okay. Now we'll copy the manifest JSON file from here. Okay. Just we are giving the version, we'll keep it as same, and name, this is our tab duplicator extension. Okay. And version will keep it as same, and description, this is a simple Chrome extension for tab duplication. Okay. And permissions, we are not using storage, just will give tabs and active tabs. Active tabs we like, that is optional. Background.js we are keeping it as same, and we'll edit the background.js file. And actions, default pop-up, we'll go for default icon. We can give the default icon, that is icon.png. okay, icon.png. And host permissions we can neglect now for now. In later classes we can see. And coming to background.js file, okay, background.js file, just copy this function. okay, this function will trigger when you click on the extension. So we need to write the logic for the tab duplication. okay, so just we'll write a chrome dot tabs dot duplicate. This creates a duplicate copy, and we need to give which tab to duplicate. So tab dot id give the current tab, so we need to duplicate the current tab. And callback function will handle the new tab. Just we can console the new tab id which will create when you click on the extension. So we'll just console the new tab id. okay, that's fine. Our code is ready. Just we need to give a icon.png. Then just go to Chrome. Search for tab duplicate icons. You can copy any of this. Just save images. Select your desktop. Go to desktop, and first extension here you need to give as icon, and which is a png, should be png. Save it as. okay, it got saved. You can see in the Visual Studio. See, icon.png. This icon will display whenever user click on the extension. okay, now everything is ready. Just go to Chrome extension. Here turn on the developer mode, which is on the top right, and click on load unpacked. Select the folder which you have created. First extension, select the folder. Extension is loaded. You can see tab duplicator. This is a simple Chrome extension. This is the description we gave in. We'll get a ID for this extension. You can reload, and it should be turned on so that you can see the changes. And you can see tab duplicator extension, and you can see the icon which we gave in previously on the folder. So when I click on this, then the tab is duplicated. You can see, right? You can experience again itself. Go for this. I want to duplicate this tab, then go for it. Tab duplicator extension. Then the tab is duplicated. And if you want to give a shortcut for this, then go to keyboard shortcuts. Go to Chrome extensions and keyboard shortcuts. Here click on keyboard shortcuts. You can see your title for the extension. Here click on the pen icon. You can go here, click on the pen icon. You can go here. You can give, like, you can type here itself. Type means you can click on alt M, or you can give alt D. okay, then alt D is done. It is saved. Then go to your website or whatever you want to duplicate. Click on alt M. Alt P I have given. Alt D I have given. Alt given. Alt D. You can see the tab is duplicated. Okay. Alt D I have clicked. Good. Right. Understood, right? Okay. Then if you are interested in exploring the custom extensions which I have created, you can find the GitHub URL in the video description. And if you have any queries or need further clarification, drop your comments in the comment section and reach out me through the email. Thank you guys. Thank you.